Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Netflix auto payment. So first thing first, in order to change or cancel our auto plans or automatic payments, we have to simply log into our netflix.com from our browser. As you can see the address bar as well, which says netflix.com. So make sure that you are not using the native app, but you are using the browser version instead. Once you go ahead and then open netflix.com and then log into your account, you can see the interface kind of look like this. So all you have to do is, in order to cancel auto payment, tap on three horizontal lines at the very top and then select the option which says account, and then you will be able to see a bunch of different options. So you have to scroll down. So the first way we can actually cancel our payment method and stop the auto payment is actually to change our billing date. So right over here you can see the billing date. Now let's say I want to actually stop this and I want to change it to some other day. Well, I can actually change it to 29 or maybe 30 for each month, so that I can go ahead and get charged in that specific day rather than getting charged at 27th of the June. So this is one way that you can do it. The other thing that you can do is you have to actually cancel your membership. You have to cancel your membership in order to stop auto payment. Netflix will not ask you every time if you want to renew it. All you have to do is just tap the cancel membership button. When you cancel a membership, Netflix will put your account on hold. Now keep in mind that if you have already been charged with this month, your subscription will remain till the end of this month, and after this month your account is going to get cancelled. But if you want, you can renew your membership anytime you want. None of your account data is going to be deleted. They are always going to remain that, as long as you don't delete your Netflix account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.